schools go beyond teaching. They nurture students to become financially literate leaders, equipping them with knowledge and skills to soar, achieve, and dream without limits. Before we present the award, I'd like to invite you to turn your attention to the screen. Let us take you on a journey that highlights the commitment, creativity, and remarkable achievements of these schools on their path to excellence. So here are the award recipients for the Best School category 2025.
សម្រាប់អក្សរកម្មក្នុងការប្រើប្រាស់ហិរញ្ញវត្ថុគិតពិតជាសំខាន់ពីព្រោះអ្វីដែលសំខាន់លុយនិងកុមារត្រូវតែផ្សារភ្ជាប់គ្នាពីតូចតែម្ដងអញ្ចឹងណាបាទអញ្ចឹងបើគាត់យល់ដឹងពីការសន្សំពីការចាយត្រឹមត្រូវអញ្ចឹងអនាគតគាត់ក៏ល្អតាមនឹងដែរបាទសម្រាប់ខ្ញុំបើសិនជាសាលាមានឱកាសចូលរួមនៅក្នុងកម្មវិធីនេះនៅឆ្នាំក្រោយខ្ញុំនឹងជំរុញសិស្សជំរុញលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូឲ្យយល់ដឹងអំពីអត្ថប្រយោជន៍នៃកម្មវិធីនេះសម្រាប់សិស្សយើងអញ្ចឹងណា
Ladies and gentlemen, join me in giving a big appreciation to the best school of this year, Maybank Regional Financial Education Excellence Awards 2025. Wow, so excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the dedication and achievements of our principals are truly commendable. So to present our first award of the day, the Best School Award, please join me in warmly welcoming to the stage His Excellency Ambassador Gerard Ho, Permanent Representative of the Republic of Singapore to ASEAN, accompanied by Ibu Budi Diah Sitawati, Board of Trustees, Maybank Foundation, and also Bapak Asep Sukmayadi, Head of the Student Affairs, Directorate of Senior Secondary Schools, Ministry of Primary and Secondary Education of the Republic of Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the Maybank Regional Financial Education's Excellence Awards 2025 Best School Award from Cambodia. Congratulations to Milky Way School, Phnom Penh. I would like to invite the Principal Tess Sopanri to come to the stage to receive the Best School Award this year. Congratulations to Milky Way School. Once again, thank you very much and congratulations to Milky Way School.
ខាងក្រុមហ៊ុនឬមួយក៏ខាងកម្មវិធីនឹងបង្កើតជារឿងរហូតរាល់ឆ្នាំដើម្បីឲ្យស្ត្រីមេផ្ទះឬក៏គ្រួសារទាំងឡាយអាចចូលរួមក្នុងកម្មវិធីនេះបានកាន់តែច្រើនខ្ញុំកន្លងមកមុននឹងចូលរួមក្នុងកម្មវិធីនេះខ្ញុំធ្លាប់ធ្វើគម្រោងផ្ទាល់ខ្លួនរបស់នាងខ្ញុំដោយប្រចាំខែអញ្ចឹងចំណូលខ្ញុំបានមកប៉ុណ្ណាខ្ញុំចាត់ចែងធ្វើអីខ្លះអញ្ចឹងប៉ុន្តែវាអត់សល់វាដូចថាអត់ត្រឹមត្រូវចាត់ចែងទៅក៏យើងអត់បានថាសង់លេខទុកអីគឺអត់បានទេអញ្ចឹងដោយថាចូលប៉ុណ្ណាចាយវិញក៏ប៉ុណ្ណឹង
Accompanied by Her Excellency Ambassador Netercia Cipriana Coelho da Silva, Permanent Representative of the Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste to ASEAN, and also Ms. Islin Ramli, Head Group Corporate Affairs, Maybank, CEO, Maybank Foundation. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the Maybank Regional Financial Education Excellence Awards 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, now moving on to the Best Family Award from Cambodia. And this award goes to Family of Nut Somon from Phnom Penh. Congratulations. Congratulations once again to Nut Somon and family. Continue to give you the inspiration to learn about about financial literacy at home. Congratulations once again to not Somon and family.